Every now and then a new crypto hits the markets, and we're looking at a new Shiba Inu alternative in this particular video. Could this be the next 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000x potential crypto? We're going to have a little look, ladies and gents. If you like Shiba Inu, which I'm sure many of you do, and you want to find that next potential Shiba Inu that flies up to 10 billion potential dollars market capital, this could be a good one. So it's just literally hit the crypto markets mainstream now, and it's known as Shiba Shootout. You can see here, Shiba Shootout, they've raised $482,000. It's an ICO priced in at $0.0194, and the price is going up and up and up every time they hit that next stage. So really cool. It's going to have a play to earn side where you can actually play a game, compound some gains, make some crypto related rewards as well. So it says settle up for the Legend of Shiba Showdown, where Wild West spirit meets the crypto frontier. Here are a few of the characters. You've got the Marshal Shiba sharpshooters as well, and this kind of reminds me of like Red Dead Redemption 2 meets, Shiba Inu. Absolutely crazy. Explore the town of the Shiba Gulch. So you're going to have a map, you're going to have characters, you got players. It does look really cool. And it is one of those things where you're getting into a speculative opportunity. You know it's not KYC, you know it's not fully doxed, you know there's a risk attached. But this is the meme coin sector, which can provide humongous rewards sometimes. It's a low market cap gem. It's going to launch under $10 million MC. So if it does get to that $1 billion mark, you're looking at that 100x big possibility. So phase one of the Shiba Shootout plan is the launch CMC CoinGecko listings, 1,000 holders of phase one. Phase two, they'll hit 5,000 holders. They'll get more community partnerships, more marketing, go more mainstream. And then once they hit 10,000 plus holders, they're going to get centralized exchange listings. Phase three, we're going to see they're going to launch academy, tools, merchandise, and also have tier one exchange listings with 100,000 holders plus. Really good stuff. Now, overall tokenomic breakdown, they've got to put their tokens somewhere and put them to work so they can grow the ecosystem. 35% for the pre-sale, 20% staking, 10% project funds, 10% liquidity, 20% marketing, and then 5% on the root and tootin' shooter fund as well. So it sounds pretty exciting over there. And here's a few snippets of how the ecosystem, the artwork, and the game could potentially look. So very cool stuff. This is an ERC20 coin. So it's on the Ethereum mainnet, this particular one here, Shiba Shootout, which means you can buy it by connecting your wallet, converting either Ethereum or Tether directly into those desired amount of Shiba Shoot tokens that you are looking for. Maybe you could flip $10,000 into $100,000. It's a big maybe, but it's stuff that's happened before in these markets. Shiba Shootout now got 949 followers. They're climbing up that big social ladder very quickly, and I do think this could be one of the next big meme coins out there, potentially a top 50 meme coin in the cryptocurrency space. 2,258% per annum on the staking rewards. So obviously a lot of people are already starting to stake as we're seeing that reward rate come down a little bit, but it does look really good. 14.6 million of these tokens are currently staked in. So guys, if you want to research this ecosystem, there's a link right down below where you can have a look at Shiba Shootout. Could be a very good one. They've had the audit, they've got the white paper there. It's always important to ensure that you do your own research and due diligence on coins like this, but this could be a massive one. So many people are already talking about it. You're going to see some massive names in the industry talk about this one. It's going to be all over articles, Twitter, Telegram. It's going to be all over TikTok and things like this. So I reckon it could be a good one. If you get in early enough and you get that low stage price, it could be nice. Also, alternatively, you can buy with BNB on the BEP20 ecosystem if you wanted to. Fear and greed index right now is neutral, so the market does stink of, just kind of not much is happening. It's a little bit boring, kind of in a lull at the moment, but it could also be a good time to accumulate and find new opportunities to diversify into. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Shiba Shootout, I'm feeling pretty bullish on this. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and check out the link down below. See you later, ladies and gents. Bye for now. Be sure to subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Peace.